Welcome back to Upcoming Future Car. Today we take you on a ride back to 1958, to explore one of the boldest and most unforgettable machines of its time, the Oldsmobile Super 88. This car wasn't just a vehicle, it was a statement of luxury, power, and futuristic design in the golden era of American automobiles. The 1958 Super 88 was part of a generation where chrome was king and style was everything. Just one look at its massive chrome-laden front grille, the twin headlights, and sweeping side trim, and you know you're looking at something iconic. It had presence. It had power. And above all, it had personality. Under the hood, the Super 88 carried a powerful 371 cubic inch rocket V8 engine, producing up to 305 horsepower. Paired with a Jetaway hydromatic transmission, the ride was smooth, fast, and undeniably American. It wasn't just about speed, it was about the experience of gliding down the road in a car that made everyone turn their heads. Inside, the Super 88 offered a spacious and luxurious cabin, filled with high-end materials and thoughtful details. The dash had a futuristic layout for its time, with push-button controls, chrome accents, and a steering wheel that looked like it came out of a spaceship. It comfortably seated 6 people, and every drive felt like a celebration of style and comfort. Oldsmobile truly went all out in 1958, giving the Super 88 a level of refinement and power that made it a favorite among car lovers. Whether cruising through the city or showing off at a car meet, this car was a symbol of pride and progress. Even today, collectors and enthusiasts admire the 1958 Oldsmobile Super 88 for its unique design and engineering excellence. It stands as a reminder of a time when cars were built with passion, creativity, and no shortage of flair. Thanks for watching Upcoming Future Car. If you enjoyed this journey into automotive history, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more timeless classics and futuristic rides. See you in the next one.